Hello guys!
Hello guys!
Welcome back to our channel, Shalala and Kvacken. And
Bhaby!
yes!
And we are Sakariason's family!
Yes! Today we are going to visit the Brudslöjan Falls. Because it's in English it's a long name, in Swedish it's short. Brudslöjan. But we're Brudslöjan.
Oh, let's go guys!
Yes,
Follow us!
come! There. Okay. All these flowers it is. The macro. This is macros it is. Here's a little river from the Brudslöjan. Going like a snake through here. Chris, vilken bokstav? Ser du bokstaven? Floden blir... Ja, vattnet blir en bokstav. Vilken bokstav? You can barely see. The S. The letter S. As you can see, guys, it just keeps going, this white flower, all the way. She is walking down the altar, ready to get married here. Ba 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 ba. Dun dun da da. No, but serious guys, this is amazing. It's every year. This is not something that happens sometime. This is every year this white flower come back here. Last time we were here, there was no flower. It's the wrong time of the season. Now we are on the best time of the season, as you can see. And he hasn't picked a single flower yet for you. I'm amazed. We got the tiny little helper. He has passed the beaver dam. We are going to the next place, and this trip and the Brudslöjan flowers is coming back here now. Okay guys, so we are walking. I can see over here to left of Shalala, you can see part of the waterfall. We are getting really close now. So what you do is you follow the flowers and you will get to the fall, and we are doing that. Yeah. And it's a lot of flowers. She go out to the sea of flowers. Why? We will see. It's not so much water. Even it's been raining. Usually it's a lot of water when it's been raining. So we will get closer to waterfall soon. Okay guys, now we are here. It's a beautiful little fall. Vänta på pappa. Hello City. You're posing. Där kan man balansera. Heja! Okay, go there. Go. So, here we are. The Brudslöjan, but it's been not. Yes.
Here is the waterfalls in Vargön.
Yeah. So I will give you a vision. So here is the Brudslöjan, and it falls down to the ground, boom, and then continue. And just the flower is the one creating the veil, the long veil on the ground. We're going to take a shower. Last time we got wet when we stand here.
What?
I think it was. So here we are, the Brudslöjan, and it is many thousands of years old. And There was no waterfall before because this was really high mountain. But the mountain itself crumbled and became a flat mountain that is really short. They say it was the world's highest mountains before. But now it's flat. And that's the bright when we are seeing in front behind me here now today. And the beautiful flower scenery behind us. So let's go up and see the nice view. Come on guys. She's going to climb the Everest. Oj, oj, oj. How big is it? She's looking, she wants to climb out. I know her. She wants to climb out on a big rock there. Looking at it. She decided not to. I can't see her anymore. Up there. There she is. You can actually drink this water. This is really clean water coming down here. Being purified from the mountains, maybe. They filter through many rocks. So you just need to boil it and then you can drink it. No worries. We have really clean waters in our nature. Oh, I'm getting thirsty. There she is. Look at that, it's bubbly. Go. Go. Did you get wet?
No.
Nothing? We're so close and don't get that wet this time.
Yeah, it's not so much water.
No. Are you open like that? Okay.
Last time it's really slippery.
Yeah, slippery and really wet. We couldn't be this near.
Yeah. I could not go up because it's too dangerous for me.
Yeah.
But this time it went easy.
Yeah. Last time you were pregnant. I
No.
think it was, wasn't it?
No.
This is so long time ago.
Yeah.
You was here? Okay. Titta på mamma, Chris. Mommy will show how to climb. Ser du, Chris? Mommy is balanced. Hey! Balancing challenge! Okay, so she's there to run on the log, but she don't jump from it. Yay! Hooray! That was the balancing challenge. So guys, this was our visit to the Brudslöjan Falls, and let's see next fall will be. What next fall will be? We don't know. We will see. So Bhaby, please like and subscribe our channel. Bye bye.